I'm beginning to work on this sliding tapered dovetail housing in the side piece. Here's the side piece with that tapered dovetail housing. And the first thing I did is run a router groove 1/4 of an inch deep, it's 5/16 inch wide, along the top edge. This top edge of the joint is perpendicular to the vertical edge. So this is perpendicular, but this line here is sloped. It tapers from the fat end down to a 1/16 less dimension at this end. The dovetail needs to look like that. So I need to cut a hand saw a dovetail angle here, which is 78 degrees across that tapered line. And I'm using an English type saw to do that. And I'm also have a block here with this 78 degree angle, and I can kind of hold that near where I'm working to guide me on that angle. But the first thing before cutting, I need to take little chips out of the saw cut area here. That line is a knife cut, so I can just take a little chip back to the knife cut, and that gives a little shoulder to help guide the saw. Okay. I think I'm ready now to cut that line at that angle. And this is the English saw. I sharpened it not too long ago, so it's sharp. And I have to remember that with this saw, I'm pushing rather than pulling on a Japanese saw. So I want to start that and then come back all the way there. And now kind of make sure that I've got at a good angle here and begin the go down with it. Am I doing okay? I think so. Now I can see the little line here, and maybe begin to put more pressure on one end or the other. I need a little bit more angle on that. No, I don't. About this angle. Right here. Yeah, back here it's I'm only going down 1/4 of an inch, and I'm down at this end. I've got about a 1/16 of an inch to go back there. That's about it. That looks good. Okay. Now, this needs to come out of there. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch chisel. Remove this waste. Now, I think my router plane can help with this, but it may be set a little bit too deep right now for that. Let me that needs to come down. I need to come down, and this is gonna So what I will do then, finally, is set this blade depth so that I can start to clear out that down to the final level, which is 1/4 of an inch deep. I'm seeing that I'm just missing a little bit of a saw kerf down at in the middle. Yeah, that's where I need a little more depth.